Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. I promise to give you conversational videos that gives you all stuff and no fluff. The whole goal here is to help you get high credit funding and give you tips and tricks on how to leverage credit. So go ahead and comment in the section below on today's video. Glad to have you. And then also for all of you guys that are diehard supporters of the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, thank you. It's your likes and comments that are blowing this channel up. So keep smashing that like button. Comment right now so it goes out to the YouTube algorithm. And let's do this. All right, guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about the U.S. Bank personal lines of credit. Yes, I have been a very hard critic of U.S. Bank lately, but they are changing my mind, okay? They still are tough, but they are changing my mind. I had recently applied for a line of credit and I got approved, so I'm happy about that. I'm going to go over the data points with you, but what you guys are going to find out is I didn't even have to provide proof of income, which was super crazy. I've never seen a personal line of credit with no proof of income. So we're going to get into the data points. I'm going to talk about the different lines of credit that they have. I'm going to tell you what my banking relationship was with US Bank, what my data points were. So make sure that you stay through the whole video. I'm going to try to keep this video 8 to 10 minutes long. And there's going to be a lot of data points that we drop. Now, if you guys have a US Bank account, if you guys have US Bank as a banking relationship, comment in the section below what your data points are, what you have. Do you have a line of credit? What was your data points? And then, just throw a comment in the comment section. And just side note too, check out all the playlists because I'm doing 3 videos a day now. And so there's probably a lot of things to catch up on. And then join the private Facebook group and then also join the Instagram at Radical Marketer. The private Facebook group is crazy. Tips and tricks all the time. All right, let's get right back into the video here. So with US Bank, they have different loan products. So a personal loan, home improvement loan, a simple loan, okay? Now, we're going to cover the simple loan later on. I didn't apply for any loan, but what I did do is I went for a personal line of credit. I don't have a home, so I didn't do the home improvement personal line of credit. And the reserve line of credit is basically an overdraft protection. So this is going to protect you from overdrafts. It is a hard pull from TransUnion, okay? The limits were like, what, 300 to 3,000. So this is something that I didn't want to go with. I mean, I have a banking relationship with US Bank. I've been banking with them for a year now. When I say banking, I really haven't banked with them. I have $100 in a checking account. Okay, I have $100 in a checking account that I opened a year ago, and I have a US Platinum credit card that I wanted to throw away because they gave me a $2,000 limit. When I got the bank account, it was probably last summer, summer of 2020. And when I got the US Bank credit card, I gardened a little bit. I got that in October of 2020, and we're coming up to a year now. So I've had over a year banking relationship with US Bank for whatever that's worth to you guys. But I have not done any direct deposits into US Bank. US Bank they really ticked me off. I just wanted to take a shot at this because I'm like, either I get a new credit card or I get a personal line of credit. And I'm always about the personal lines of credit more than the credit cards. So I called up US Bank and I said, what is required to do this? How do you guys verify income? Is it stated income? Is it proof of income? They said all of our personal lines of credit are stated income. And I'm like, wow, really? And she's like, yeah. And so I said, who do you pull from? She says, we pull at random, but most of the time TransUnion. Sure enough, it was a pull from TransUnion. Now, I basically had, my TransUnion score was like a 740. Okay, so I did have a high TransUnion score just because it's not pulled that much. But I have a pretty decent credit report across the board with everything because I take care of my credit and it's pristine. I got approved for a $10,000 line of credit with a 10% interest rate that I can pull anytime I want. So, bam, I'll take that. Why is lines of credit important? You guys can check out my videos on what a line of credit is. It's basically I could take that $10,000 whenever I want and put it in any checking account that I want, fund my insurance policy with it, pay a payment with it, and then I can pay it back and then I can take it out, pay it back, take it out. It's like an installment loan that I can go back and forth with as much as I want, and it's simple interest. So it's a lot cheaper money than credit card debt and a loan, okay? So they're really great, but they're really hard to get. You will also remember that Wells Fargo was getting rid of their personal lines of credit, and then they brought them back for people that already had them. But these don't really make the bank any money, to be honest with you. There's a lot of people with personal lines of credit that's just sitting there. So I wanted to let you guys know this because, I'm going to give you all the stuff and no fluff and give you all of the gems and data points every single day. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. You like this channel, put your questions down. But U.S. Bank is giving stated income, personal lines of credit. Now, I don't know how long this will last. Last time we did the BHG video, you guys took the credit cards off the website where now you have to call and get them, okay? So it's like this community is super powerful. So when you guys are applying for it, I would apply for this. Now, they're not going to approve you for a line of credit until you've had a banking relationship with them for 6 months. So get a banking relationship, guard in your TransUnion, because that's where they're going to pull from, and get this line of credit. Now, even if you want to get a credit card first, you could do the bank account and then also do a credit card. Let that garden for 6 months and then go for the personal line of credit. That would be something good to do, because then you're going to show, hey, I can manage the credit card. I have a bank account. I'm doing banking with you. Now, if I would have done banking with them, I probably could have gotten the full $25,000, right? But I've been seeking some credit here, getting business credit cards and things like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Now, I'm going to be doing a video on the U.S. Bank Simple Loan. This is going to be a simple loan that does not require a credit check, which is super awesome. So up to $1,000. So I know you guys like the DCU video that I did and some of the other credit union quick loans. So this is going to be very comparable to like a payday loan, but you have to have a banking relationship with U.S. Bank. U.S. Bank is super conservative, guys. I'm not a big fan of them. I'm happy that I got a stated income line of credit. I'm kind of shocked about that, to be completely honest with you. I may do some more banking with them to try to get a business credit card with them here in the future, maybe in 2022. But I wanted to make sure you guys knew about this, because there's a lot of you out there that have U.S. Bank that you could definitely utilize this for the holiday season and to get your dream funded and started. So that's what I got to say about U.S. Bank. TransUnion, hard pull. I had over a 700 score on TransUnion. Inquiries were probably maybe 1 to 2 in the last 6 months. New accounts, one new account in the last 6 months. So yeah, that's it. And the nice thing about it is not a lot of lenders pull TransUnion, right? Navy Federal does, the Apple Card does, U.S. Bank does, but there's really not a lot of lenders that are going to do that outside of the soft pull credit loans that you have, that I can show you guys on my channel as well. So go binge watch all the videos about how to get high access funding, personal credit repair, you name it, it's there. Like, comment, subscribe. 3 videos a day. Watch the ones I did today and the ones I did yesterday, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Go get your money from U.S. Bank. Salute.